If you're looking to start a new business with a low investment, a cleaning business might be a good choice. Cleaning services tend to have a lower upfront cost than other ventures, and this is one of the few businesses you can start operating quickly with little capital. To start this business, you have to take a few steps. Step number 1. Fund your cleaning business. Now, what does this mean? This step may be a bit difficult to start with, but you can provide capital in several ways. Get a loan, borrow from friends or family, use your savings. The initial capital to start this business different depending on the country you are in, but according to my searches on the internet, you need to start this business in couple of $100. But generally the cost associated with starting a cleaning business, including the price of cleaning supplies and products, advertising, cleaning business insurance, and business license and permits. Supplies can usually be purchased for less money at big box retailers. Step 2. Choose the right market. When it comes to cleaning business, most of us think that cleaning is only for houses. I know there are many ways to make money in this business, but here's top 5 of the most profitable ideas in the cleaning business. When people's carpets get dirty and they need to clean them as soon as possible, you can help them and clean their carpets. Pool cleaning. As you know, after some time, pools naturally grow algae and become dirty. You can earn money by cleaning pools. Vehicle detailing. This one might sound strange, but detailing a vehicle is no different from cleaning any other space. You can vacuum, clean surfaces, and remove stains to keep your client vehicle looking and smelling like they're fresh off the lot. Closing services. You might find that some residential client will pay extra money for you to wash, dry, fold, and put away their laundry. This is very profitable idea. Window cleaning. You can make a profit by cleaning the windows of your customers' houses or complexes. Step 3. Choose one of the ideas I mentioned and stick to it. Step 4. Have a business plan and plan your business from A to Z. But if you need a business plan for this business, I will put it in the comments section. All you have to do is write a business plan in the comments section. Step 5. Register the business. You only have to do the legal steps of registering your business in this step. And also don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to our channel for more real profitable business idea. Stay healthy and wealthy.